What if I told you there's a secret place online where you can create videos from text to video or image to video with top models like VO3, Kling 2.1 Master, Hailuo 02 Pro, Dance Pro, Runway Gen 4 Turbo, One 2.2, all for free, all unlimited, and all legally. It sounds like pure clickbait, but I promise it's not. After weeks of research, I've found the secret path to AL World. So stick around because in this video, I'm giving you the key. But before we begin, let's see some examples of the videos I've made. Before we move on, make sure you're subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell. Okay, let's get started. Started with this video generation service, we'll head over to lmarena.ai. We'll click on Try on Discord to jump in. What this button does is it links us to the Elmarena community on Discord, and the service itself runs right there on Discord. After opening the community link, you'll be brought to this page. If you don't have a Discord account, you can enter your information, check this box, and create a new account. Alternatively, if you already have one, just click Login to sign in and join the Elmarena community on Discord. After you register, you'll see this page. Just hit Accept Invite. After this, we'll get into the Elmarena community on Discord, which will look like this. In this section, there are various areas you can explore after logging in, where you'll get familiar with how the community operates and the bots available within it. We're working with this section, the video arena. You can use the How-To option, and once you enter this page, you'll get familiar with how the website works and how you can generate your videos and images. I'll explain how to generate videos in the Generate Video section. And the main part we'll be working with is actually these three sections called Video Arena. Video Arena 1, 2, and 3. You can enter any of them you want. For example, I'm going to enter Video Arena 2. In the chat section, you can view the videos and images that other users generate. You can even use them for inspiration. In this service, each time you generate a video, you're actually generating two videos, each created using different models. This platform, just like the Elmarena website, is essentially designed for comparing different AI models. For example, you can see that a user has generated a video by providing this image and the prompt they wrote. When you click this button, you'll enter the video generation process, and the final output will be displayed to the user like this. When two users rate one of these videos in terms of quality and video generation, and the number of votes in this section exceeds 2, the service will determine which model was used to generate these two videos. For example, here you can see that this video was generated with Hailuo 02 Standard, and this video was generated with Dance 1 Pro version. You can also use these options to vote for the video on the left, the video on the right, or indicate that both are bad. And when you see a good generation from this service, where two good videos have been generated, you can use this button to highlight the video. For example, in the generation done by this user, you can see two videos that have already been voted on by two users. I can be the third user to cast my vote. Two other users have also used this option, and now if you go into the highlight section, you'll see that this video has been highlighted. The generations you see in this section are usually high-quality ones. They could be image generations or videos created by different users. Let's get into generating images and videos. To start your generation, just type a slash in the chat section. Once you type the slash in your chat box, you'll see three options appear. You can use this option to generate an image, this one to turn an image into a video, and this one to generate a video using your prompt. For example, for our first test, I want to try generating an image. I click on Image, press Enter, and then type in my desired prompt. I press the Enter key, and then our message appears in this section. You'll see Generating Image, which means our image generation is in progress. Now we can wait for the next message to appear and for our image generation to be completed. When our image generation is complete, a notification will appear here, meaning a message from El Marina has been sent and it's the generated image. To save the images in PNG format, click on this option, then select Animate and Customize to add your image to this section. Right-click on the image, select Save As, and save the image. You'll see that the image is saved in PNG format without losing any quality. You can do the same steps to generate a video using your prompt. Just type a slash, and if the prompt to video option doesn't show up here, click on El Marina to open up the options. This is the prompt to video option. Click on it, and then you can enter the prompt for your video and generate your video. I want to use the same prompt I used for generating my image to create a video as well, just to see what the output looks like. All you need to do is paste your prompt and hit send. In this section, it says that our video generation is in progress and mentions it may take up to 10 minutes, but usually it's much faster. And each video is generated in about a minute. We've watched the videos together, and I think this one had much better quality. Even though it was generated with sound and is definitely one of the VO models, the character's eyes had a slight issue. I think this video was really flawless. You can download the generated video directly from this section. The only thing is the end screen of the videos, but you can easily cut that part off using any video editing software. Now, if you look in this section, a user named The Rock has voted on one of my videos. I also want to vote for this video, since it was generated better and is the better option. As I mentioned earlier, once at least 2 users vote on a generation, it will be determined which model was used to create these videos. For example, this video was generated with VO3, and this video was generated with Sedance Pro, which is the option we voted for. Now, you're not limited to just text to video for generating your video. You can also use image to video. Again, I type a slash and select the image to video option. If you don't see this option, you can click on this icon to make it appear. Click on it and it will be added to this section. Then click on this button and choose your image. In this section, we write the prompt we want in order to animate our image. The prompt must be at least 10 characters long for the website to accept it. I wrote a simple prompt saying that a woman is riding a bicycle. We just want to test it. And all we need to do is hit the send button. We just need to wait for our video generation to be completed. Every video you generate also appears in your Discord direct messages. You'll receive a message from El Marina. For example, this one is my latest video. By using this button, you can go to the bot, to the section where your video was generated, and watch your videos. When I click on this, it takes me to our video generation, where we can watch both of our videos together and see which one is better and more acceptable. As you've seen in the generated videos, most of them are 5 seconds long, but with the logo displayed at the end, they become 8 seconds. However, it also depends on the model being used. For example, in this generation you're watching, Sedance and VO3 Fast were used. The first video, generated with Sedance, is 8 seconds long, and the next one, generated with VO3 Fast, is 11 seconds, which comes down to 8 seconds without the end logo. That covers everything about generating videos and images with this service. There's just one more important point. This service runs on the Discord platform, which is a social network. You can use it through the web like I did, or you can use the official Discord app, which is available both for desktop and for mobile on Android and iOS. Another point to mention is the leaderboard feature. You can use the leaderboard option right on the El Marina website. From the top menu, select either text to video or image to video, and you'll be able to see the best models in each category based on the rankings given by users. This way, you can find out which models produce the best generations and offer the most value for you. Thanks for watching. If you're enjoying the video, Hit that subscribe button, give it a like, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload.